Welcome back to John Kleis Cardio. I'm sat in a Transporter T6. My name's Max and I'm going to give you a quick walk around the KENWOOD DMX9720XDS that has just been installed. You've got the stereo sits in the dashboard like so. It's got a nice large 10.1 inch screen with wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. Other features on the car is you've got your multifunction steering wheel, which we keep working. You've got OEM USB point, which is working through the head unit, and this particular system has also the KENWOOD dash camera, even paired up with a reverse camera. So when you stick it in reverse, you've got your reverse view, which is extremely handy for reversing into tight spaces, and you also have the parking sensors which come up on the display as well. Now this head unit's got DAB on it. You've also got HDMI as a source, so if you ever wanted to add a Fire Stick to it, you've got the ability to watch movies on the go, all from your large screen. Obviously when you're sat in traffic or not moving, of course. That is pretty much it for this super brief run through. We can do lots of different head units on this particular vehicle. This one's fantastic in particular because the actual screen can go forward and backwards, which is great for the glare that you get on the factory head units or any flush screen head unit you put into this vehicle. But yeah, that's it for this brief video from John Kleis. If you've got a transporter, you want to take your stereo to the next level, get in contact with us and we can get you a quotation. Thanks very much, take care and goodbye.